This is the setup for the 100 SP Sure Pull cable tension meter with a maximum tension capacity of 22,000 pounds. The 100 SP can be used on the 100 cable puller or the 8288 cable puller. The 100 SP allows you to monitor and record the tension applied to the conductors during your pull and share that data as needed. It can handle our high strength easy rope or the industry standard double braid composite rope up to 1 3/16 inch diameter. We will demonstrate the installation on the 8288 cable puller. You will need to install the U-bolt assembly. This is the 100 SP with the brackets on. We've already installed the U-bolts. Slide it on and center it, making sure you have enough handle clearance to turn the handle completely. Tighten the nuts and complete the setup of the puller according to the operator's manual for the model number of the puller you are using. Install the batteries by removing the cover of the tension monitor with a flat blade screwdriver and install 4 AA batteries. Then replace the cover. Roll the puller into place wherever you are going to make your pull. Once you have your puller in place, run your rope to the capstan. Pull the linch pin, remove the roller pin, and remove the roller. Do this on both rollers. Lay the pulling rope across the 3 lower rollers, making sure the rope is sitting completely in the grooves of the rollers. Do not pull the rope tight. Then put the rollers back and reinstall the pins. Download the Current Tools Sure Pull monitoring app. Make sure your location services are enabled. Choose Connect to Device and select the serial number of the device you are using. Enter your pull data and start recording. With the application in record mode, proceed with your pull. When you are finished with your pull, the data can be saved to your phone or can be sent as an email. To learn more or to find a distributor near you, visit currenttools.com.